Next is the treatments of coronary artery disease or of the blocked arteries. Maybe all of you have heard about the angioplasty, stents and bypass procedures. Angioplasty and stents, they are the non-surgical treatments, whereas bypass surgery, it is a surgical treatment. First of all, angioplasty and stents. Normally the balloon angioplasty is performed by the doctors to correct the narrowing of heart arteries. Balloon angioplasty involves the introduction of a catheter with a deflated balloon on its tip into the body, usually through a leg. The catheter is threaded through the blood vessel into the blocked heart artery, and thereafter the balloon is inflated to open the blood vessel to improve the blood flow in it. You can see in the diagram, this is the blocked artery. In the lumen, plaque is deposited. Now catheter is inserted in the body with a deflated balloon on its tip through the leg blood vessels. Now when the catheter it reaches to the blocked artery, then the balloon is inflated. When balloon is inflated in the artery, it breaks down the plaque and it corrects and you can see it increases the lumen of the blocked artery. After angioplasty also, the person has to be very you can say strict on the diet. Low cholesterol diet, low fat diet has to be taken so that further deposition in the artery is stopped. Second is the stent procedure. It involves use of wire mesh tube that props open a blood vessel that has just been cleared by angioplasty. The stainless steel tube is first collapsed and then placed on a balloon angioplasty catheter. When this tube reaches the blocked artery, the balloon is inflated, expanding the stent into the position that will hold the artery opens. As you can see, this is the stent angioplasty. It is performed along with balloon angioplasty. Here we have only inflated the balloon and left the artery as it is. But in case of stent angioplasty, catheter is introduced into the blood vessel, then it reaches to the blocked artery. Now this catheter at its tip, it has balloon along with closed stent. And what is stent? It is a wire mesh, stainless steel wire mesh. It is in closed state. When balloon is inflated, the wire mesh it also expand. Some of the plaque it break down the plaque, and then the wire mesh it is inflated. Now the artery is open. So the stent procedure are better than angioplasty, because in this the blockage can take place again, but the wire mesh it prevents the further deposition of the plaques, because here the narrowing of artery can take place further, but here the deposition will not take place again. Less deposition chances are there in the stent procedure. Second, bypass surgery. It is a surgical treatment. Bypass surgery operations are traditionally performed in hospitals by stopping the patient's heart and using a heart-lung machine to maintain blood flow to the body. More recently, off-pump surgery is done by surgeons who do operations on a beating heart. With this, lesson number 18 is complete.